Hey guys, what's going on? It's Peekabird1 here. I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. In this video, we have a original model 3DS black color. This one doesn't belong to me. It belongs to a friend of mine, and he's used it a lot, and it has some wear as well as the touchscreen doesn't work. So in this video, we are actually going to be installing a brand new touchscreen and cleaning it up for him just because he deserves it. He's been a good friend to me for over a year now, so I want to get this all cleaned up for him, and I figured I'd take you guys along the way. So, let me show you guys some current footage of a before. Alright, now that you guys have seen the before, let's get to work. I'm gonna make this a time-lapse video of while I'm working on it, so if it has a weird angle or weird lighting, forgive me, but it's the best I can do. What's that? We have Nintendo 3DS shell parts? What? They're ready to go in the sink? Wow. What? How do we... Huh? Oh. Oh, wow, we're at the sink. Okay. I guess we can begin washing the shell. We got a cleaning toothbrush. We have Sir Top Shell. Sir Top Shell. Sir, place your hands on me shell. And Madam Back shell. And the rear end. Don't forget toilet paper. The stylus holder. SD card flap. Rubber bubber. Circle pad. D-pad. And some buttons. Wait for the water to get hot. Alright, there we go. Get some soap in here. And alright. Let's start the cleaning montage in 3, 2... There's my axe. God, that's such a cheesy joke. Look guys, I found my axe. Alright, looks like we have some clean DS parts. Let's go back into my room. Alright. We're back and we have a clean DS shell. Now that we're back, let's get some parts fixed. So, let's work on replacing this digitizer. Alright, that's off. Let's grab the other one. Alright. Alright, here we are. Got the screen all set up. Now it does have some streak marks on it just because I had to clean up the lens, but it's alright. It's an improvement. So now that that's all set, we can put this to the side and begin reassembly. Hey guys, so unfortunately, during reassembly, I noticed that the camera and the top screen ribbon cables were torn. So unfortunately, I got it the rest of the way reassembled. But unfortunately, we're going to have a part 2 of putting in a new top screen. But nonetheless, for right now, it is done. So, it has the new digitizer in, and it is all clean. If it'll focus there. So, unfortunately, it doesn't have a top screen right now, so it won't even boot up all the way. It just does its whole pop. Yep. So, anyways, there will be a part 2 coming up when those parts arrive, and if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like so I know that you guys like this new style of videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.